Digital marketing is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics for promoting products and services online. At its core, digital marketing is about connecting with customers and potential customers through various digital channels, such as social media, search engines, email, and content marketing. It involves understanding the target audience and tailoring marketing efforts to meet their needs and preferences. Digital marketing is a data-driven approach, with the ability to track and measure the success of campaigns in real time. It is cost-effective, customizable, and can be used to reach specific geographic locations or demographic groups. With new technologies and trends emerging all the time, digital marketing is a constantly evolving and exciting field. Digital marketing is a strategy that businesses use to reach and engage with their customers and potential customers online. Here are 100 lines to explain digital marketing in detail. Digital marketing is a way for businesses to connect with customers through online channels. It includes various tactics such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, and content marketing. The goal of digital marketing is to reach and engage with a specific target audience. It helps businesses to increase brand awareness and drive more traffic to their website. Digital marketing can also be used to generate leads and convert them into customers. It allows businesses to track and measure the success of their marketing efforts. One of the main advantages of digital marketing is that it's cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. Digital marketing campaigns can be customized to meet the needs of a specific audience. It helps businesses to build relationships with customers and create brand loyalty. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, and new tactics and strategies are being developed all the time.